What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Play Call Experience. I'm your host, of course, Big Lou. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Do your due diligence as usual. It's been a minute, but we're back, live and direct. We are at the Highland Host Art Festival, and I am standing in front of Rude Boy Artworks headquarters, and we're going to go inside. We're going to see what the vendors have to offer us. We're going to see what Rude Boy Artworks has to offer us, and make sure you go into the description box there. I'm going to have the link to all of the artists so that you can be a part of it and you can contribute to some of the local events that's going on here. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Like I said before, do your due diligence. This is Big Lou. I see you on the inside. Right now we're looking at some of the styles of Rude Boy Artworks. The owner and artists make everything from painting to apparel, wearable art, vintage clothing, handmade purses, wire wrap jewelry, photo shirts, custom shoes, and it's a total art experience. They also do custom screen print, heat press, hand painted, and airbrushed apparel. They also host tutorial classes for airbrushing and art. Make sure you go to www.rudeboyartworks.com for any of your needs. Make sure you also check the link in the description where I will have their information as well. So let's take a look at what they have to offer here at Rude Boy Artworks. And also make sure that you get in touch with Love Medley Accessories for all your jewelry, fashion designs, anything that you may need to accessorize. Make sure you get in contact with her. You can find her at consultmedley.wix.com/artist Nicola Ballard. I'll have that in the description box. Make sure you click the link, make sure you shop, and make sure you also grab you one of these custom rugs right here. I got mine in the works. Play Call Experience is in the works. So make sure you reach out to Rude Boy Artworks and Love Medley Accessories.
Our next vendor is Whitney at wetpaintarts.com. Make sure you go see her for all your acrylics, watercolor, murals, and she also works for commissions. She has fine arts, prints, and murals for your desire. You can reach her at wetpaintarts.com. That's her website. Or you could go to @wetpaintarts on all social media platforms to check out her work. Very great work, very awesome work. Make sure you check out Whitney at wetpaintarts.com.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Make sure you go see my friend Maggie at www.maggotpie.com, where you can get all kinds of unique, dark, macabre, spoopy, and weird twisted art. She has prints. She also has accessories and other things available for all your art needs. You can reach her at Maggot Pie on all social media platforms, or you can reach out to her at maggotpie.art@gmail.com. Make sure you check the link in the description box, where I will have all the information available so that you can go and get some of this wonderful art from our vendors.
Here at the Play Call Experience Network Studios. I would like to thank Rude Boy Artworks for inviting me out to the host, and I would also remind you to go to the links in the description box, and it will highlight and showcase where you can reach out to the artists in this video and get more detail on their work. It's very important to us to support all our local artists, local talent, local business. Anything that's going on locally in our area, it's up to us to support that, because these people pour their heart and their souls into their craft, and they bring excellent work every time. So I'm going to make sure that the Play Call Experience Network is attending all of these art functions and going to bring light to all of our local businesses and our small businesses, so that everyone will get a chance to, benefit from their services and from their products. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, do your due diligence like I always say, and stay tuned for our next adventure on the Play Call Experience Network. I'm your host, Big Lou. I want to thank you all for tuning in. Thanks for becoming a member of the Play Call Squad. I salute you if you are, and please join us as we continue to bring everything in the local area and abroad, so that we can get in tune with other people that are making the right play calls in their life, so that they can be champions of their lives. I'm your host, Big Lou. Thanks for tuning in. Peace, love, and I'll see you on the next journey.